The rise of artificial intelligence has sparked a wave of speculation about its influence on the job market. While AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, it also brings concerns about job displacement and changes in employment dynamics. This article delves into the evolving landscape of employment, shedding light on 10 jobs that might face replacement by AI in the coming decade. Number 1. Retail cashiers, a shifting checkout experience. The advent of self-checkout systems and the AI-powered payment technologies is reshaping the retail experience. Traditional retail cashiers are facing the possibility of being replaced by automated systems that can process transactions, handle payments, and even provide assistance without human intervention. While this raises concerns about the human touch in customer service, it also highlights the growing fusion of technology and convenience in the retail sector. Number 2. Data entry clerks, automation and accuracy. Data entry, a task often associated with meticulous manual work, is susceptible to AI automation. AI algorithms are capable of swiftly processing and inputting data with exceptional accuracy, reducing the chances of human errors. As AI continues to advance, the role of data entry clerks might diminish, freeing up human resources for more strategic and creative tasks that require critical thinking and problem solving. Number 3. Telemarketers, chatbots redefining customer interaction. Telemarketing, a profession dependent on outbound calls and customer engagement, faces transformation due to AI-driven chatbots and voice assistants. These AI technologies can handle customer inquiries, provide information, and even guide users through purchasing decisions 24/7. The role of human telemarketers might shift from cold calling to more strategic customer relationship management. Number 4. Routine customer support, from repetitive tasks to emotional intelligence. Routine customer support, characterized by addressing frequently asked questions and handling common issues, is undergoing a paradigm shift. AI-powered chatbots and automated systems are becoming adept at handling straightforward customer interactions, allowing human support agents to focus on more complex cases that require emotional intelligence, empathy, and problem-solving skills. Number 5. Assembly line workers, precision and efficiency through automation. The manufacturing industry is no stranger to automation, and AI is poised to further disrupt this sector. Traditional assembly line jobs involving repetitive tasks are ideal candidates for AI-driven automation. Robots equipped with AI can perform tasks with unparalleled precision and consistency, contributing to increased efficiency and reduced production costs. The shift challenges society to address the potential impact on employment and consider retraining opportunities for affected workers. Number 6. Truck drivers, navigating the road ahead. The transportation industry is on the brink of revolution with advancement of self-driving vehicles. While automated trucks have the potential to handle long-haul routes efficiently, human truck drivers might still be required for complex urban driving scenarios. The coexistence of AI and human drivers raises questions about safety, regulations, and the future of trucking employment. Number 7. Stock traders, algorithms and market dynamics. AI's ability to analyze extensive datasets and make rapid decisions has caught the attention of the finance sector. AI algorithms can identify market trends, execute trades, and optimize investment portfolios. While the role of stock traders remains vital for strategic oversight and decision-making, AI's involvement challenges traditional trading practices and emphasizes the importance of human oversight in AI-driven financial systems. Number 8. Fast food cooks, precision in the kitchen. AI's integration into the culinary world is transforming fast food kitchens. AI-powered robots and machines are capable of preparing food with consistency and accuracy, potentially reducing the demand for human cooks for routine tasks. However, chefs and cooks retain their significance in crafting unique culinary experiences, experimenting with flavors, and ensuring food quality. Number 9. Data analysis. From analysis to strategy. The role of data analysts is evolving in the era of AI-driven analytics. AI tools can quickly analyze complex datasets, uncover patterns, and generate insights that would require extensive human effort. This transformation might lead data analysts to transition from primarily performing manual data analysis to focusing on refining AI-generated insights, making strategic decisions, and communicating findings to non-technical stakeholders. Number 10. Accountants. Resurrecting financial roles. AI's impact on the accounting profession is evident in tasks like bookkeeping, reconciliations, and financial reporting. AI software can execute these tasks with efficiency and accuracy, potentially altering the role of accountants. While routine tasks may be automated, accountants could transition to more advisory and strategic roles, leveraging their expertise to guide businesses through complex financial decisions and regulatory compliance. The integration of AI into various industries necessitates a shift in the way we perceive work and employment. While concerns about job displacement are valid, it's essential to recognize that AI also creates new opportunities in AI development, maintenance, and human-AI collaboration. The evolving job landscape requires adaptability, upskilling, and proactive approach to stay relevant. As we approach 2030, the collaboration between humans and AI will continue to redefine industries, roles, and the overall nature of work itself.